In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix Zoho Books Error Code 57. This specific error can be incredibly frustrating when you are trying to manage your accounting or integrate third-party tools. But the good news is that it is usually caused by a simple configuration mistake regarding your data center or your organization ID. Error 57 specifically means you are not authorized to perform this operation. This typically happens if your access token is for the wrong region or the wrong scope entirely. If this video helps you get back on track with your bookkeeping, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's dive straight into the solution. The very first thing we need to do is check your data center, or DC. Zoho operates across different global regions, and if your API calls are being sent to the wrong region, you will get hit with error 57 every time. Open your browser and look at the URL you used to log in to Zoho Books. For example, if you are in India, your URL will end in .in. If you are in the US, it might be .com. You must ensure your API link matches the ending of your specific country's data center. If you are using a .com endpoint, but your account is registered in the .in region, the authorization will fail immediately. Double-check your API documentation and swap out the domain extension to match your login URL. Once you have confirmed your data center region, the second major step is to correctly add your organization ID to your requests. Without this ID, Zoho doesn't know which specific business entity you are trying to access, leading to that authorization error. To find this, open your Zoho Books dashboard and look at the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. Click on that icon and you will see your organization ID listed there. Copy that number carefully. Now you need to add this ID to your test URL or your API connection string. It should look something like this: https://www.zohoapis.in/v3/contacts?organization_ID equals, and then paste your unique ID right at the end. By providing both the correct regional endpoint and the specific organization ID, Zoho will finally recognize your credentials and grant you access. This simple adjustment solves the vast majority of error 57 issues instantly. After you have updated your URL and added the ID, try running your request again. You should see a successful response instead of that unauthorized message. Troubleshooting these API errors is all about attention to detail regarding your account location and your unique identifiers. If you follow these steps, your integration should be working perfectly now. If this video helped you resolve your Zoho Books error, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.